I'm Anil Kumar, and here is solution of question number 24, page 410. We are reviewing trigonometry, chapter 6, Nelson. Now I've changed this question a bit, right? Almost the same question, but slightly different terms. The question is, the terminal arm has a point pxy making an angle theta in standard position. Using this information, the simplified form of this expression, sine square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos theta over sine theta is what, right? So what I mean by writing terminal arm and angle theta, we really mean that let's take any point, let us say this is our point P. Now what we are saying here is that the coordinates of point P is x and y, right? And the terminal arm has this point P. So that is the terminal arm. Point is on the terminal arm, making an angle theta in standard position. That means always we have to consider the vertex at the origin and initial arm along positive x-axis, correct? So that is kind of a review. That is why I have introduced this and made a minor change, right? But it's exactly the same question as you had. So now, what is sine theta? So whenever we have this any point here, then x represents the value of sine theta and y represents the value of, x represents the value of cosine theta and y represents the value of sine theta if the radius is, or if the arm length is 1. In this case, generally arm length will be r, right? So r is the length of this arm, right? Where the value of r will be equals to square root of x square plus y square. Now in our case, we have a couple of options. Let us now see which one fits best. So what is sine theta? Sine theta is opposite side, which is y, right? Y over r. And what is cosine theta? Cosine theta is adjacent side, which is x value, right? X over r. Now we are given sine square theta plus cos square theta divided by cos theta over sine theta. Let's just substitute sine theta with y over r. So we get y over r whole square plus cos theta is x over r whole square divided by cos theta over sine theta. So cos theta is x over r divided by sine theta, which is y over r, correct? So that is what we get for the given expression. Okay, let's simplify this a bit. So let's use this space. Common denominator is r square now, so we could add the numerators. We have x, I should have written y first in any case. Let me write here now. Y square plus x, y square over r square. So I could write this as y square plus x square over r square, right? Then we have divided by x. Now r and r cancel, right? So we have x over y, correct? Now I could write this as y square plus x square divided by r square times, when you have divided, you can flip and write, right? So we can write this as y over x. Perfect. Now as I said, r is actually equals to square root of x square y square, or I could also write r square is x square plus y square using Pythagorean theorem in this triangle, right? So instead of r square, we could write x square plus y square. So you can see that the first term indeed is 1, since r square is x square plus y square, so it cancels out. So we are left with y over x. Do you see that? So y over x is the solution for us. So y over x we can do like this. However, there is an alternate way of doing it. You know what is sine square theta plus cos square theta. So if I have to do alternately, we could first simplify this expression. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So get 1 over cos theta over sine theta, right? So 1 over cos theta over sine theta, which gives me sine theta over cos theta, which is tan theta, correct? Now what is tan theta? Tan theta is y over x, so which is y over x. So we could use this trigonometric information, trigonometric identities which we know about, to just find the answer quickly. In a multiple choice question, I think this is a far better approach than going that way, right? So that is my recommendation. So simplify your expression. Once you simplify, it is actually equals to tan theta. And in any position, tan theta will be opposite side over adjacent. So y over x is your solution. Y over x. You get option B. So that really saves a lot of time, and that's the whole point of discussing this question here. I hope it really helps. Thank you and all the best.